So you build a complex Excel model and its file size just exploded. So let's bring it back down from 3.4 megabytes to 1.3 megabytes in this video. A lot of Excel models contain input tabs, but if you just link to the source file like here, and you maybe also just check if the cell is empty, and if it's empty, you keep it empty to prevent zeros from showing up all over the place, then you run into this problem of increasing file size. So let's see how to fix this. The fastest way to fix this is just to go with a value copy of the data. So if I save this now and check back here for the file size, you will know that this just went down significantly. Now, to keep it transparent where the data is coming from once the formulas have been replaced with hard plugs, let's put in the link to the file up here and also an information when the data was last updated and by whom, so that other team members can get back to you if they have any questions.